Welcome back, guys. Today we got transit alternatings. Bit of an alternator job. It's a bit stuffed and cram-packed down there, so just take all of that crap out of your way and you'll be able to get to it. So we'll see you in a sec, guys. Remember when doing alternators, guys, disconnect your battery. It is important, or you're going to get a bit of a shock. But remember, under the driver's seat on these ones, bit of an annoying place, but is what it is. See you in a sec, guys. All you got to do, take out airbox, boost pipe, intake pipe, all of that good stuff. Nice and easy. See, nothing hard about it. I'm not even worried about it. It's even got an auto tensioner on this one. It's not like some of the other transits where they got stretch belts. Now all that crap's out of your way, you can get to it. Bolt there, bolt at the bottom, but you've also got the auto tensioner just down the side. Big spanner. Take your belt off, take your alternator out, and away you go. Right, I thought I'd put this on camera because it always happens. One of us end up cocking up and jinxing something. What did you just say? He said it.
So I'm not going to jinx it.
He said he's not. He said it says it's not a bad alternator.
It's not a bad alternator.
Anytime one of us says that, it ends up being an absolute pain in the ass. But he's gone and fucked it now. So now, best hope that it's not a bad alternator, or we're going to be crying. See you in a minute. Hey guys, alternator out in just a second or two. There you go. So down there, let's see if I can get the torch and get my finger in so you can see it. There's your auto tensioner here. There's a 15mm nut on it, kind of like a peg, I suppose you'd call it, kind of thing on there. Drop your belt off with that, and then obviously you can grab your alternator bolts. There's only 2 alternator bolts you need to get onto. So you've got obviously that one, undo those, pull it up. Job's a good one. See you shortly. Don't forget, guys, make sure you swap your idler pulley over as well, because it comes off of there. Little 10mm. Quick and easy.
If you don't, you're daft.
Yeah, if you don't, you're just a dummy. Full-on dummy. Anyway, see you in a sec. I must say, that's got to be a first time for the jinxing side of things. The first and only ever time that that's happened. When one of us jinxes something, it actually come out just sound and alright. So thank God for that. Much love. Remember, like, subscribe, share. We love you all. Peace. So I thought I'd show you this. This is how I did it to get the belt back on. Obviously I had old Wallace up the top. So get your 15mm long spanner on the tensioner there. See the end of it? You just push it up. That's how you release the belt and put the tension on. But obviously that's all going back on now. Drop that off. See that? Piece of cake. And job done, guys. You know, should have a charge in transit, but only proof will be in the pudding when it's all said and done, because we didn't diagnose this one. We got called out to this one by a customer under an assumption alternator failure. So anyway, see you in a sec. Right guys, so that's the alternator installed, and I'm just going to show you it's now charging. 14 odd volts, so it's now, before it was obviously just showing battery voltage. So yeah, that's the transit all wrapped up. If you like that, just don't forget to like, follow, share, and if you're on YouTube, remember it's just right down here. See you in a bit. Peace.